What's going down, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Holmes Hobbies Motor Control. It's your boy Josh, aka Coleman. In the studio, man. It's actually late in the day. This is going to be a late episode, but it's still coming out today on Monday. That's my thing. That's part of my New Year's resolution is get better with my schedule. I waited for the mailman today. I actually gave up on the mailman and was in the middle of doing another video, and then the mailman showed up. And he brought me a box, and it's back there on the bench. And we're going to go back there and crack it open, man. I'm excited. Hope you guys had a great holiday season, I guess you can call it, man. Christmas, Hanukkah, and all the different, things out there that people celebrate. And New Year's, New Year's is kind of a big deal to me. New Year's is like kind of like a nice shower. Anyways, let's go open a box. All right, you guys, here it is. Man, this is a pretty good looking box. Let's just go ahead and get into this, man. It's a new year. We're going to do things a little different. No BS, man. We're just going to jump into this Action Jackson right now. And we're doing this handheld because I don't know why. It's just how I started the video, so that's how we're going to do this. Not too bad for one-handed. Not too bad. All right, boom. Let's see if we can do this without a tripod. Now, oh, buddy. What is this? What? I did not expect that. Those are massive. Oh, yeah, this is sick. Okay, so I've got some big stickers. Oh, yeah, I'm super excited about this. And look at these. That is sick. Okay, so, I don't know, we'll figure that out. Maybe we'll have to do a giveaway or something, give away one of them stickers. How should we do this? Should we just crack into this bad boy? Yeah, that's how we do it. Just start cracking into this. Alright, so first up, we've got Torquemaster BR Mini ESC. This is the RTR version, so as you can see, it comes pre-wired. Has all your leads on it, ready to go. I like that a lot. The other ones I got were not the RTR versions, so, and my dog's barking, but I like this. I'm a little bit lazy, I'm not gonna lie. I went to school for mobile electronics. I've done a lot of wiring in my days, and anytime I can skip that and not do wiring, I'm all about it. So, what do we got here? We have another one. So 2 of those bad boys. And what do we got here? This is a Trailmaster Ble Pro ESC. So this is like one of my all-time favorite ESCs. We're going to set that there too. Now, we're not just going to skip over these. I want to talk about this a little bit. The Torquemaster BR Mini ESC is actually really, really important. A lot of people... I don't think a lot of people in the scale community actually pay attention to this or know about what this really is. This is essentially a BRXL with no case or anything, and it's waterproofed, which is awesome. So if you're running lightweight rigs, like you're running something, that's sub, like, I don't know, 6 pounds or something, you could probably run it off of this without much issues at all, even without a fan. Now, I don't want to guarantee that, obviously, because I haven't really put that to the test myself, but this is an extremely capable ESC. I use them mainly for winch controls, but I also use them for my smaller rigs, so... it's worth looking into, you guys. I'm just throwing that out there. This is worth looking into. This is a really cool ESC, and they're very, very affordable, and they're very small. I mean, look at the footprint here. It is tiny. You can put it almost anywhere. So, just putting that out there. I always use these. I keep these around whenever I can. And then, of course, the Ble Pro. You guys should know by now if you've been watching this show. Oh, this bag wound up ripping right there. This is my favorite ESC currently. Waterproof, brushless, censored or sensorless. Can also run brushed if you want. It's just a beast. Up to 6S. Powerhouse. Alright, what's in here?
Oh, we got some stickers. Nice. Okay, alright, stickers. Let's keep this moving. It's going to be a fast episode. Things are going to pop off this year. We're good. Okay, I'm not going to say guys everything that's in there.
First, what do we got here? Castle Creations BEC 2.0. I don't know if you guys be knowing about this, but this 2.0 action, this is good. This is basically the one that's going to allow me to have an output of, where is it? Over 12 volts. So wide input range 2S to 14S, which is cool, 6 volts to 58.8 volts. Woo! That is crazy. However, what is this? 15 amp, 5.25 volts at 12S peak output current, and 4.75 through 12 volt adjustable output voltage. That's what's important to me right there. Boom. 12 volt adjustable output voltage. This puts out 12 volts, whereas my other one, which is, I don't know where it went to. I don't know where it went. I lost it. But my other one only puts out, I think, up to 9 volts. Most of these Castle BECs that you guys see or that you're using are only putting out up to 9 volts, which means that you can't, I mean, you can hook up a 12 volt light bar to them, but you're not going to get 12 volts from it, even if you're running a 12 volt battery. So this now will allow me to regulate a steady 12 volts to my light bars. Yes, this is awesome. Love this. And yes, I got another one of them. Okay, so I got multiple of those. That is awesome. You can never have enough of this type of stuff, man. If you're a builder like me and you love to build, I like to use the same things over and over, and as I learn, I upgrade, and then I want to go back and change things. So yes, these are going to come in handy. What do we have here? What do we got here? Oh, snap, son. Revolver. This is a 1400 kV 540 size revolver. For those of you that don't know, this is an outrunner, and it is not just any outrunner. This is a Holmes Hobbies outrunner. This is a phenomenal setup, man. And I don't know if you guys are noticing this, but it's sensorless. There is no sensor port on this at all. So I am extremely excited about this. The other one I had was censored, but had issues with the sensor board. So no sensor board on this. Very eager to see how this runs. And I got not only one, but I got two. I got 1800 kV and 1400 kV. So that way we can try them out and see, like, I really want to see the difference between the two. First off, it's not going to be a huge difference. But second off, I just really like this motor. All right, so what am I going to be powering that with is probably what a lot of folks are wondering right now. And, well, I'm going to be powering it with this. This is a Mamba Monster X Extreme 1/8 scale waterproof ESC. And if you are wondering what the heck is going on, don't worry, this isn't because I don't think Holmes Hobby stuff can't get it done. This is because I personally want to see what this is all about. John Holmes recommended this to me. He said, hey, how about you get the new revolvers and hook them up to the sensorless setup? And I was like, well, wait, sensorless setup? Okay, what's that? He's like, the Mamba Monster X with the revolver motor. He's like, it is the craziest, smoothest starting thing you're ever going to run. He's like, it's just mental for a brushless. So we're going to try it out. We're going to see what it's all about. I'm excited. This will be the first time I've ran anything other than Holmes Hobbies ESC since I've been with Holmes Hobbies. The only time I've ran anything else was when I first started working with them. I still had some Novak systems I was running, and I still had some Axial stuff I was running, but other than that, I had already moved on from everything else. I stopped messing with all the other brands, and I went full on Holmes Hobbies. This is going to be weird for me. I'm not going to lie. I may not keep it in there for long. I might switch it over to a Ble Pro just because it's going to feel weird for me, but we'll see. We'll see. We're gonna do it. I'm not done though. I'm not done. We got more in here. Boom! Holmes Hobbies Ble Pro R540L rock crawler motor. This is a new spec they're offering. It's the R is where it's coming in, and this is a 4-pole 17.5 by 33 millimeter rotor, 12 slot stator. You know, all the good stuff on here. Bare phase wires, nice. Okay, 180 degree. Everything is looking good on here. Waterproof sensor board, all the good stuff. You guys can read, right? So, I'm excited about this. Let's go ahead and open this up. Actually, I wasn't going to do that, but we're going to. We're going to open this up just because I want to see. I don't know. I haven't seen one of these yet, and I have a feeling it's going to look a lot like the standard Ble Pro. It'll probably look the same, actually. I don't know. We'll see. I'm excited. I actually had several of you guys ask me to get one of these so that we can just go over it and see what it's all about, and I did. I did. You guys, I listened to you, man. I hear you out there. All right, so Can we get this out one-handed? That's the real question. All right, there we go. Oh yeah, that's good looking. It looks just like the regular Ble Pro, but these wires are shorter, stouter. Let me get, do I have a Ble Pro? I do. Oh no, that's the XL. Oh, I only have, is that it? No, yes, I do have a standard Ble Pro. All right, so let's do a little comparison here. So I also got this, you guys. This also just came, and this is a Ble Pro. This is the 4500 kV. This is the one that I have, the exact same one that I put in my black Yeti that I still haven't been able to hit top speed with it because it is so fast. So let's see a little comparison here. Same rotors, same 12 slot, 13 phase widers. Okay, so we got a difference in wires. Oversized bearings. Yeah, there's definitely a difference. Okay, I'm not gonna read all that, but I'm gonna put it right here for you guys. That way you can read the difference here between the new Ble Pro R and the original Ble Pro motor here. Pretty cool. Now keeping in mind, these are pretty close on kV, but they're not the same. There's 4100 kV to a 4500 kV. So, but I figured that'd be good for you guys to sit here and see this. So, all right. If you want to read more on that, if I'm too fast, just go ahead and back it up or pause it. Let's keep it moving. I am super excited about all of this right now. This is like a massive haul, and this is going to help so much with the build right now. We have another motor here. This is a Ble Pro Stubby. This is a 3300 kV Stubby. This, for those of you that don't know what the Stubby is, it is much smaller. Just to show you real quick, in case you're new here or you haven't seen one before. There we go. All right, so maybe we'll drop some fresh videos this year. We'll see. But I want to show you a size difference between the two. Look at this. Here's the R. Here's the S. Just a massive difference in size. So I'm pretty excited. The S is still one of my favorites of all time, but I have a feeling that R is just going to be mental. Now let's look. This is the last thing we've got here. This is another Ble Pro R. This one is 4100 kV as well, so the exact same as this one. And that is it. That's going to do it, you guys. That is a massive haul. I just made a mess. If you're into this stuff, watch for more videos. I'm going to be doing lots of videos on this stuff, you guys. It's going to be an epic year. I've got a lot of builds I'm working on. And you already know it's going to be all powered by the stuff you see right here from Holmes Hobbies. So that being said, peace, chick grease, fam. Yeah.